Hello friends, welcome to the channel. If you're like me who has recently bought GODOX SL60W, stay tuned, I'll tell you the reason why I'm returning this light today. Manual. Never forget to return the manual with anything you buy. So the first issue which I like to highlight is the fan noise. So even though whenever I am turning off this light, I can still hear the fan noise. Yep, so another thing would be if I'm utilizing the remote and if I'm turning off this light, you can still hear the fan noise. So if you don't want the fan noise, the only way out would be that you have to manually actually go on the back of the light and actually turn it off from here, and then the fan stops basically. It is very annoying, especially when they have given you a remote and there's a power button, and every time when you're switching off from here, it's not turning it off. Yep, so that was one of my really important reason why I'm returning this light. Another factor would be the remote syncing, which I will just show you in a second. You should be able to see the problem lies there is that every time when you actually touch the switch here on the main supply, I'll show you this one. If you touch this switch here, so basically it does is that it will give you 40% here, but whenever you will touch actually the remote, which I can show you right now, it might not be on 40%. As you can see, it's on 28%. So that is a very annoying factor. So another thing would have been the brightness. Actually the light starts quite bright, so it becomes really hard at the night time to sync exactly what you want, especially if you have a lot of ambience light. So I would probably say there's so many other lights out in the market which starts very dim from the 10% and sort of picks up gradually halfway, but this light starts super bright from the 10%, so it becomes really hard to get the right level of mixture of other lights as well if you're going to utilize this light with any other source of lights at night time. Another point I like to make, I'll probably prefer light which is more sort of bi-color, which means provides the cool and the warm, so that it's always easy to sync up with the home lights like down lights. because at the moment this is just 5600 Kelvin, and it's really hard at night time when your home lights are probably around 34 or 3600 Kelvin. I really like this light because it was a budget light, it was a good light, had the good reviews, but again, good comes with bad, as I keep on saying. If it would have been just a remote, I can get overcome, but the brightness and probably the fan sound, which I can still hear, it's really bothering, especially if you do a lot of video recordings. I'll turn off this fan sound now, and you can see now automatically you should be able to hear my audio bit better. If you are going to record in the same room where this light would be, then it would be really hard, and I wouldn't recommend this light. I would prefer something from aperture lights. You can still use the slides as a for B-rolls if you have a studio where you don't need to talk, but if it's going to be your primary light, I'll prefer not to use this one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.